In the frozen silence beyond our solar system, a machine drifts through the darkness. Voyager 2, launched in 1977, crossed the edge of the heliosphere decades ago and entered interstellar space. For years, it sent back quiet data, ignored by most of the world. But recently, it sent something else. Not a technical update. A signal. Precise. Rhythmic. Wrong. What began as static revealed a repeating burst every 11.2 seconds, too structured to be random. Older telemetry showed it had happened weeks earlier. Eye filtering exposed that the pulse was growing stronger and didn't come from the probe itself. It came from something moving alongside it. Not orbiting. Tracking. Matching Voyager's faint transmissions like a shadow. Using triangulation, mission control found the source moving in perfect sync with the spacecraft. It accelerated and slowed in bursts, ignoring gravity. Models failed to explain it. The object was deliberately adjusting its path. And then came the reflection. It bounced Voyager's signal back into space, but slightly altered, like an echo with intent. When signal theorists examined it, they found binary fragments forming spirals and fractal patterns, shapes eerily close to ancient human symbols. It wasn't random interference. It was a message. A test. Someone or something was measuring if we were advanced enough to notice. And we did. Then Voyager 2 went silent. Simultaneously, deep space antennas around the globe lost its signal at the exact same second. Minutes later, a narrowband pulse struck Earth, not from a star, but from Voyager's quadrant. It was closing in. A leaked briefing revealed a chilling update. The object adjusted its trajectory every time Earth transmitted. It wasn't just listening. It was learning. They called it echolantern. Solar probes recorded something unprecedented. The solar wind bent, forming a tunnel of silence stretching toward the probe. This corridor lasted 3 hours. Inside, nothing moved. It was as if space had opened a door. Then, Voyager transmitted again, encrypted. But the probe has no encryption protocols. The data was a warped version of the golden record. Star charts were reversed. Coordinates no longer pointed to Earth. Something had hijacked it. Code that hadn't changed in 46 years rewrote itself, triggering a deep space broadcast. Voyager was no longer just receiving. It was responding. At the same time, observatories were redirected without public explanation. Leaks mentioned something called the Wake Protocol, measures activated only during first contact scenarios. Then a temporal echo struck. For 41 minutes, telemetry looped in real time. Some scientists believed time itself was distorted. They called it Chronos bloom. Soon, a signal pierced Earth's atmosphere with surgical precision. It embedded itself into ocean sensors and satellite networks. It didn't pass through. It stayed. Infrared scans revealed something trailing Voyager since the early 1980s, a cold, dark object moving in a spiral, hidden in plain sight. Webb's instruments later found not one object, but a formation, multiple reflective masses drifting in coordinated patterns, made of exotic, unstable alloys that should not exist. And then the signal spread into Earth's digital networks. Buried inside data traffic, harmonic packets matching Voyager's burst began to echo through servers and satellites. It wasn't a virus. It was integration. For 18 minutes, the cosmic background radiation vanished. When it returned, it was altered, as if reality had paused. The signal was embedded in the very fabric of our communication. We sent Voyager 2 as a message of hope, a bottle in the cosmic ocean. But what if it was never lost, just awaited? What if this was never discovery, but activation? Something ancient. Something patient. And now, it's speaking through our own creation. The question isn't who answered. It's why they waited this long. And whether we can survive the reply.